Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a custom grid line in Photoshop. First of all, create a new layer. Then select line tool or pen tool. I use pen tool. Stroke color. Select red. Fit 150. Okay. Select the line. You select anything. I select line and Control R or showing roller tool. Add roller. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Okay. And hold Shift. Move for area. Hold Control. Alt R. Press T. First of all, convert a smart object. Then hold Control. Alt R. Press T. Okay. We select two edit frame. Two frame on edit com. I do not use this. Only use single line. Hold Control Alt R Shift T. Hold. Then simply hold Control Alt R Shift. Then simply press T. For this automatically fix size and apply the same process for vertical line. Hold Alt R, copy this line. Control T. Right click mouse. 19 degree. Control T. Zoom. Okay. Again hold Control Alt R T. Okay. And apply again the same process. Hold Alt R. Oh sorry. Hold Control Alt R Shift. Press T. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share. Now see this. Not adjust this in the last layer. Okay, hold Shift, right click mouse, convert to smart object. Again, right click mouse, rasterize. Then okay, Control D, Control H, Control D.